In this video we are talking about if VeChain is going to zero or if we see a massive run to the upside. We are now in the weekly chart, and as you can see we had 2020, our massive run up to the upside, to the all-time high from this demand zone. From the down to the top we had 3300x. The top was around 28 cents. And after this massive run up, we saw a large correction from VeChain. Also found some bullish reaction right here. And then from the supply zone, we also found a massive run to the downside to these levels right here. From the top to the downside, we saw 95% correction. So now the question is, are we going to fall to lower prices, or do we consolidate or fight our bullish trend to the upside? So as I earlier said, we have this demand zone right here where we started the bullish explosion. And now we came back into this demand zone, tested it once, moved out a bit, but also came back here and made a lower low. And as you can see, we have lower highs right here and lower lows. So we are clearly in a bearish trend. That's not a good sign for VeChain. So now it's very important for me that we find some bullish reaction, bullish support right here, or at least we find some bullish support from this demand zone right here, and that we break the last highs right here, so we are in a bullish structure again. So the next place to buy is for me this supply zone right here. If we come back to this zone, find some support right here and move out really quickly to the upside, then I think there are chances that VeChain is going to higher levels. If we break this demand zone, I think it's really important that we don't break the whole demand zone. If we break the price of $0.0888, then the structure is in all time frames bearish, and that's a very bad sign for VeChain. But at the moment, as I said, if we come back to this zone, find some bullish support right here and came across to the upside, there's a very high chance that VeChain can go to higher levels. And as I'm always saying, it's very important that Bitcoin is also going up, because just when Bitcoin is going to go to higher levels, then all cryptocurrencies can claim across with it. Because when Bitcoin is falling, other cryptocurrencies are more likely to fall as well. So if we come back to this area, find some support, and if you get in here at these prices, then the question is, which are the next resistance areas that are very important for VeChain? The next important resistance and supply area is this one, because we saw this bearish correction right here from this supply zone. We also retested this supply zone and we made a lower low right here and turned into a bearish structure. So it's very important that we break this supply zone to the upside with a body close over this high, and in the best case over this high as well, because then we are in a bullish structure again. If we break this supply zone, the next supply zone that's interesting is this one. Here we also saw a large correction from this area. So in my opinion, VeChain is a project with a very high potential. And as you can see from the price right now to the all-time high, it are about 16x. So just to the last all-time high, there's a 16x potential. And if Bitcoin is going to make a bull run and VeChain break this all-time highs, there are even higher prices that VeChain can arrange. But now for the near future, I will make a video if VeChain comes back to this area, finds some bullish reaction right here and moves out. So if you don't want to miss these videos for VeChain and other cryptocurrency, subscribe to this channel. That was it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.